Rise high as the listening skies, let it resound loud as the roar.
This is the Black Heritage Month Kickoff. So it's the first event that we have as part of Black Heritage Month, which lasts the whole month of February. This one's really important because this year our theme is Bridging the Gap. And so we're really trying to connect students with the community, but also within things that happen in Black Heritage Month that they might not know all about. Especially tonight, we had the Negro National Anthem, and many of our students do not know what that is. So just educating them and connecting them with the African American community is our main theme for this month.
It's wonderful to have these events on the campus because it brings the community together. Not only just the community, but you've got people here internationally going to school and whatever. And we bless Texas A&M.
Well, we have a total of 21 events, so one, I hope that they're well versed, but also that they feel like, especially our African American students, that they have a place here on campus. This past year we had a whole bunch of federal laws come into place, and students really feel like that's going to put a damper on the way that they express themselves on campus. And so we're trying to keep their hopes up and also give them a place where they can express themselves fully on campus.